Hello, this is Stacy Kennedy, and I'd like to present test problems 11 through 20 for test 56. I'll be using Anki software. We open Anki, we hit that group of problems, hit Study Now. Here's number 11, an x value of 8 and a y value of 6, and an x value of 12 and a y value of 9. So basically they've given us 2 points on a linear line. We'll calculate the slope, and then we can determine y equals mx plus b and determine if what the correct line function is. Okay, in problem number 12, we're given a function f of x equals negative 4x squared. For a value of x is equal to negative 5, what we do is we just plug in a negative 5 for the x location. And we can do this either in the calculator or we can do it in our head. And we come out negative 100, answer G. Number 13, we almost have a same type of situation. When x is equal to a negative 1, we're asked to calculate 4x cubed minus 2x squared. We just plug in, for every x, we plug in a value of negative 1 and just calculate the f of x value. So in this case, it's equal to negative 6. In problem 14, we're given this figure, okay. It's basically, we can think of it as two rectangular shapes. They're asking for the area, so what we'll do is we'll just divide it into two rectangular shapes. 9 times 10 is 90, and we've got a 2 times 4 is 8. Total is 98, answer H. In problem 15, we're looking at a chart basically and asked to make some evaluations on it. If you summarize that chart right there and just draw a straight line through the data, you see that the slope is definitely negative, and you can see that the y-intercept is positive. And if you look at answer C there, the slope is negative and the y-intercept is positive. And so that's answer C. In problem 16, we're given two statements. 4x plus 2 is equal to negative 10. Given that, then absolute value of 5 minus x2 is equal to what? First step, we solve for x on the first equation given. It turns out to be x is negative 3. Plug that into the second equation. Absolute value of negative 4 is positive 4. Answer G. Okay, in problem 17, they give us a sine function. The amplitude is 3. And the axis it's rotating on is the 0, y equals 0 axis. So both our amplitude and our maximum value both are positive 3. On a sine wave, usually all they ever asked is about amplitude or period. That's the only two real things they ever asked on ACT about a sine wave. In problem number 18, this is an average mean median mode problem. Student's given 9 test scores. On her 9th score, it was corrected from a value of 9 to a value of 10. And what would that change? The mean, the median, or the mode? Okay, we need to know that average and mean would increase. Okay, median would stay the same. Okay, mode is most repeated number, and it would stay the same at 7. In problem 19, they're showing these equations, and then they give us the equation y is equal to 2/3 x plus 4. Which one of these lines is parallel? What they're saying is which one of them has the same slope. Parallel lines, they always have the same slope. They may have a different y-intercept. Now, we've got a positive 2/3, so we can cross out A, B, and C. Okay, the only ones that could be possible is answer E. Okay, it's 2/3, has the same slope. In problem 20, we got a right triangle, and they're asking the value of tan B. Okay, so we look at the possible ways to set that up. Easy way, tan B is opposite over adjacent in reference to the angle B. So that's 1 over square root of 2. Answer H.